You might no longer consider Facebook to be cutting edge and innovative. It's not surprising that many individuals and organizations attempt to make money via Facebook. It makes sense with such a sizable potential audience, while today our video will be about earning online through Facebook. Are you into it? In this video, we will talk about how to earn money on Facebook by uploading videos. With that said, let's jump straight into it. So Facebook is one of the biggest social media sources at the time. There are tons of creators out there making hundreds of thousands of dollars on Facebook. I'm not talking about creators who actually have brands or social media appearances, but I'm talking about creators that didn't even show their faces on social media. Yeah, it's true. I know you might be wondering how anyone can earn millions without even showing their face right. It's completely possible because there are lots of creators out there on Facebook that are actually making a huge amount of money through reposting videos. Let me tell you, it's actually reposting videos from TikTok on Facebook. It might be the completion of videos, funny videos, or content of any type just from TikTok. You don't have to create videos on your own. All you have to do is repost and publish them on your Facebook page. Are you excited to find out how to do it from the start? Let's talk about it without wasting any further time. Keep watching. So it's pretty simple to get started making money on Facebook. What you have to do is make a personal page on your Facebook account, put your info on the page. Make your page look professional with all the required descriptions and banners. After making the page, what you have to do is to start looking for other creators working in your niche. For example, if you are working in a niche related to TikTok funny compilations, then search for other creators making videos like that. It's very simple to search for other people making the same videos in your niche. Just go to the search bar on Facebook and type in anything you want to search for. After getting a video you think is what you like to make, dig into their profiles to see what they are doing. If you don't like the video styles, go to the next one. So basically, what I'm trying to emphasize is to keep on searching in your niche. Why I'm saying that is because it gives you inspiration about what you want to do for your channel or page. Okay, before you get your niche and inspiration channel, it's time to implement these strategies on your page too. What you have to do is first make a schedule of what and how many videos you are going to post a day or so. It will keep you more organized in terms of posting regular content. Here I want to tell you one very important thing: always try to keep posting continuously. If you are not getting views, don't stop struggling, just keep on posting and you will hopefully see the results in the last few for sure. So after making a schedule of what you are going to post on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, it's time to begin searching for videos you want to make. In this video, we are actually focusing on two platforms. One is TikTok while the other is Facebook, but we are mainly targeting Facebook. Where we will make money. Have you ever wondered if you can actually make some money from Facebook? Or just use it as a social media platform? Do share your thoughts in the comments below. Also make sure to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel below. Let's continue. After making a well-managed schedule of content and page optimization, now comes the searching for the videos from TikTok. Go to TikTok and start searching for videos you want to make your compilation of. For example, if you want to make your first video on most funny dogs compilation, you will type funny dogs on TikTok or other related terms like that to get the videos you want. It depends on how many videos you want to gather into one compilation. It might be 10 to 12 or it might be 20 to 30 depending on you. Keep that in mind and add videos that are more relevant to your topic. If you are making videos on dogs, then put all videos about dogs in the compilation. Don't go for irrelevant content. Retention and staying on the video matter a lot on Facebook because the retention time of the audience on Facebook is very short. So always try to put together videos that are engaging and fun to watch for your audience. After you gather your videos, it's time to combine those videos into one video, the so-called compilation. I would suggest you guys keep your videos between 3 to 5 minutes as they are more comfortable to watch for the audience. Then here comes the editing part. Let me tell you one thing: making compilation videos doesn't require too much editing. All you have to do is gather those videos you downloaded from TikTok. I would suggest using simple software like iMovie, CapCut, or whatever other video software you feel comfortable with. Put all the videos in the timeline and combine them like the compilation videos. It's so easy, right? I would say that you are just 3 steps away from making huge bucks on Facebook. That is downloading, editing, and posting right. After making the video, it's time to give it the final edits and then upload it right away to your pre-made Facebook page. Sounds easy, doesn't it? It's such a simple process, guys, and I would say if you don't want to make any effort to write a script, do voiceover, and then complicated edits, start making these types of videos, and you can earn a lot. Now here I want to clarify the misconceptions of most people. They think that you can't monetize your videos by just reposting videos. It's a straight lie because there are a bunch of different pages on Facebook that are making videos like that. And they are literally earning millions from their pages by just reposting TikTok content. Keep in mind one thing: whenever you make any video, try to give credit to the original creator of the video so that you don't get any copyright strikes or any kind of this stuff. Always play in the safe zone, so this is all you have to do with consistency. Track your analytics day by day. What types of videos are people more interested in? Which video gets more likes, comments, shares, and so on? This thing is so important if you want to grow your page. Keep posting videos with consistency. When you get monetized, then you will definitely start making money from Facebook. Monetization is not that difficult on Facebook, but keep yourself away from the copyright strikes or warnings. After monetization, you will be able to run ads on your videos. You should know how to run ads properly on different types of videos. Ads help in generating more revenue. So this is the art of earning money on Facebook without creating your own original content. See, it's a super easy technique of reposting videos on Facebook from another platform. It's not necessary to just take these types of short clips from Facebook. You can also take these clips from other platforms too, like Reddit, etc. Facebook is launching 3 updates aimed at helping creators of video content make more money. The latest changes to Facebook's video monetization options include earning revenue from short-form video, expanding eligibility to more content creators, making it easier for creators to earn money from viewer contributions. The ability to earn revenue from videos published to Facebook is available to pages that meet a certain set of criteria. So, what are your thoughts regarding this video? Do let us know in the comments below. Before leaving this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more information and making money online videos like this. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications so that you never miss out on any video we upload on this channel. With that said, we have reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and here are some other ways to make money online.